Your setup is only as good as the desk it sits on. A great gaming desk gives you room for multiple monitors, keeps your cables tidy, and holds up under the weight of a full battle station. In 2026, the best ones add power outlets, standing options, and smart storage. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The AODK L-shaped gaming desk is the corner-maximizing powerhouse that gives you a genuinely massive amount of usable surface for multi-monitor battle stations. The L-shaped design fits neatly into a corner while providing 2 full work surfaces, giving you genuine room for multiple monitors, a full keyboard and mouse setup, speakers, and peripherals without feeling cramped. The generous surface area comfortably handles a triple monitor setup or a monitor plus laptop configuration with room to spare. The sturdy frame and thick, durable desktop hold up under the weight of heavy gaming gear without wobbling or sagging, a genuine consideration for loaded setups. The included accessories often feature a headphone hook, cup holder, and cable management to keep your battle station organized. The scratch-resistant, water-resistant surface handles daily gaming use, and the adjustable feet keep it level on uneven floors. The gaming-focused design looks genuinely at home in any setup. For gamers who want maximum surface area for a multi-monitor battle station in a space-efficient corner layout, the AODK L-shaped is the most spacious, most multi-monitor friendly pick on this entire list. The ODK 40-inch gaming desk is the compact, value-focused pick that delivers a genuine gaming desk experience in a footprint that fits smaller rooms and tighter spaces. The 40-inch width is genuinely ideal for smaller bedrooms, apartments, and dorms where a full-size or L-shaped desk simply won't fit, while still comfortably holding a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and essential peripherals. Despite the compact size, the sturdy frame and durable desktop hold up under gaming gear without wobbling. The thoughtful design often includes built-in features like a headphone hook, cup holder, and cable management grommets to keep the compact space organized and clutter-free. The scratch-resistant surface handles daily use, and the simple assembly gets you set up quickly. The clean, understated design suits both gaming and everyday work use. The genuinely accessible price makes it an easy entry into a proper gaming desk. For gamers in smaller spaces, students, or anyone who wants a genuine gaming desk at a budget-friendly price, the ODK 40-inch is the most compact, most value-forward pick on this entire list. The Huuger electric standing desk is the health-conscious pick that lets you switch between sitting and standing for genuinely more comfortable marathon gaming and work sessions. The standout is the electric height adjustment, which raises and lowers the desk at the push of a button, letting you alternate between sitting and standing to reduce fatigue and improve posture during long sessions, a genuine wellness advantage. The generous 55 by 28-inch surface comfortably holds a multi-monitor setup, keyboard, mouse, and peripherals. The sturdy, stable frame holds firm at any height without wobbling, even under the weight of a full gaming setup. And the memory presets let you save your preferred sitting and standing heights for instant recall. The durable, scratch-resistant desktop handles daily use, and the cable management keeps things tidy. The quiet motor adjusts smoothly. The spacious, adjustable design suits both intense gaming and productive work. For gamers and remote workers who want the genuine health and comfort benefits of a sit-stand desk in a spacious gaming-ready format, the Huuger electric standing desk is the most health-conscious, most versatile pick on this entire list. The TIQLAB gaming desk with power outlets is the genuinely convenient, feature-rich pick that builds power management directly into the desk itself. The standout is the built-in power outlets and USB charging ports, which put power right at your fingertips so you can plug in your monitor, PC, phone charger, and peripherals without reaching for a distant wall socket or power strip, a genuine everyday convenience. The generous surface comfortably holds a multi-monitor setup and peripherals, and the sturdy frame holds up under the weight of heavy gaming gear. The thoughtful gaming-focused features often include RGB lighting for that immersive setup ambiance, a headphone hook, cup holder, and comprehensive cable management to keep everything organized. The scratch-resistant, water-resistant surface handles daily gaming use. The immersive gaming design genuinely looks the part in any battle station. The included accessories add real everyday value. For gamers who want integrated power outlets, RGB lighting, and gaming-focused features built right into the desk, the TIQLAB is the most feature-integrated, most convenient pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the Bestier gaming desk with power outlets. The genuinely well-rounded pick that combines built-in power, smart storage, and immersive gaming features at a competitive price. Like the TIQLAB, it features built-in power outlets and USB ports for genuine plug-in convenience right at the desk, eliminating the reach for distant sockets. Bestier's design genuinely emphasizes storage and organization, often including monitor shelves, storage hooks, a headphone hook, cup holder, and cable management to keep your entire setup tidy and clutter-free. The generous surface holds a multi-monitor setup and peripherals comfortably, and the sturdy frame holds up under heavy gaming gear. The immersive RGB lighting in many configurations adds that gaming ambiance, and the carbon fiber texture surface looks genuinely the part while resisting scratches. The thoughtful storage features genuinely maximize a smaller footprint. Bestier's reputation for well-designed, value-focused furniture backs the quality. For gamers who want built-in power plus genuinely smart storage and organization features at a competitive price, the Bestier is the most storage-smart, most well-rounded pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because furniture deals move fast. If this helped you find the right gaming desk, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech and gear reviews every week. See you in the next one.